Hey everybody, Dr. C here with Dr. C TV. Today we're going to talk about the front raise. Now we already talked about the lateral raise, which was raising your arm out to the side. This is going to be similar, but instead we're going to bring the arm up to the front. The idea of a front raise is very simple. You're taking your arm, which is sitting right at your side, and you're raising it up to the front, and you're going until your arm gets up to shoulder height. I don't recommend going above shoulder height. So the other thing that I like to do in my lateral raise is I like to keep a loose elbow, just a little bit of a bend. All right, you don't want to keep a completely straight elbow as you do it, just a little bit of a bend. Come up and then back, just like so. And you can see this is about the amount of bend that I keep in my elbow when I do my front raise, just like so. One of the advanced techniques that you can apply not just to this exercise but to almost any exercise that we've talked about thus far is a pulse. And that's something I like to add to my front raise just for a little extra challenge. So what a pulse is, normally I recommend full range of motion on all of the exercises. But it's pretty challenging to pulse at the top of your range of motion. So what that is I'm going to go full range of motion. I'm going to lower my hand slightly and then raise it back up again. Come down, all the way up, pulse, and back down. Now that's a single pulse. We could add a double pulse, which would be down once, down twice, and then all the way down. So what you'll find is that if you add a few pulses to each of these repetitions, it gets pretty hard pretty quick. As always, another thing that you can do with an exercise is add some weight to it. I've got my juice bottles here, and just in case you're wondering, they are 50% less sugar. I don't want to hear a bit in the comments later about how much sugar is in juice. All right, so, and plus I water it down anyway. So from here, you can take this, and you can bring any weight. Again, we've talked about all the different types of weights that you can use, and you're just raising that weight until you get your hand up to shoulder height. So that's the front raise, guys. It's a pretty simple motion. Most of the things that we've done are pretty simple. I'm trying to keep it basic for right now, but what you have at this point, you've got about 7 different exercises in your arsenal that we've gone over. Please go back and review some of the other videos. If you are unsure about any of those exercises, you can also post questions. I will answer them. I do check the comments. So you can set a goal for yourself for tomorrow. And what I'd love to see you guys do, I want you guys to be proactive. I want you guys to stay active while you're at home. That's been my goal with these videos, is to keep you guys active. So for tomorrow, what I'd like you guys to do is set a goal. Take some of the exercises that we've done already, the squats, the lunges, the bicep curls, lateral raise, front raise, push-up, and try to set a repetition range for each one that you want to accomplish tomorrow. Maybe it's 10 of each. Maybe it's more than that. Maybe it's 30 of each. I mean, this is really an individual thing. But again, my goal is to keep you guys active. Again, if you have questions, please post them below. I will get back to you. And tomorrow we're going to talk about something completely different. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow for Dr. C TV.